Hello guys, and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we are looking at the Princess Bride deck. Now, nobody shoot me, but I have not seen the Princess Bride, so I don't know anything about this deck or anything about the theme. I didn't buy this deck either, which is all the other decks I've reviewed so far I've bought, whereas I haven't bought this one, and I was kind of given it by my brother-in-law who'd got it from like a loot crate or something. And yeah, it's kind of a strange one because I don't know anything about it. It was manufactured in 2015 by the United States Playing Card Company, designed by Albino Dragon Limited, and artwork by Albino Dragon. Princess Bride is a Princess Bride Limited trademark and used with permission. It's good. No one likes unlicensed artwork. So, I kind of want to get straight in there because I don't really know much about it. Playing cards, Albino Dragon. Some of my last reviews have been... Oh, the top case is quite nice. There's further artwork inside there. Albino Dragon by the look of it. But yeah, I mean, some of my other reviews have been a bit longer because a lot of them are decks that I'm seeing for the first time, and I don't want to really put out, judgment without having a thorough look. I like this. This is pretty cool. It's like an advertising card, but it shows some of the other cards in the range that's available by Albino Dragon. So you've got the White Rabbit, which I was interested in getting. I don't have yet. Call of Cthulhu. So that's pretty cool. And this one says it's the Princess Bride deck. And obviously the artwork may be from the film. So you've got a Joker here. Another Joker there. And you've got like the couple by the look of it. The protagonist of the story. I don't know. So looking at the back view, it's got a very sort of Zorro-esque mask, and there's a few swords crossed. There's sort of like a crest type design. And it's sort of cool because it's symmetrical, but it's symmetrical from two different angles. So it's symmetrical straight across the middle. It's also symmetrical this angle here, which is really quite cool. I like that. Let's have a look at the Ace of Spades first, I suppose. So this is a Princess Bride, sort of inlaid ace, and then they've got the sword, which, yeah, it's continued throughout, but it's actually got different weapons for each suit, which is cool. If you're going to do something like that, at least continue the theme. Don't have one that's got swords and one that doesn't have anything. But yeah, so it's completely custom faces. The aces are very cool. They're the same as the corner pip aces, but the corner pip's white and these are like a yellowy golden colour. It's pretty cool. Artwork, How Do You Feel? Slime Filth, Mark Boo Boo Boo. I'm presuming these are quotes from the film, which is quite cool. Looks like Andre the Giant. Maybe. Yeah, so these will be presumably quotes from the film, which is quite cool. And the artwork's nice. But again, I haven't seen Princess Bride, so I can't really do it any justice. You can easily distinguish between red and black, which is good. That is a bugbear of mine. It's got a really nice use of the air cushion finish. It feels good in the hand. It fans nicely. And again, yeah, it feels really nice. It feels, it's a solid deck. I like it for the fact that my brother-in-law gave it to me as a gift. I like that. He'd thought of me, he'd seen that I collected playing cards, and he'd got this, and decided to give it to me, which I'm grateful for. I love the artwork. Very very cool. I might have to watch The Princess Bride just so I can sort of understand the theme and understand some of the quotes. But I'm not really going to pass judgment on this deck. I like it, and it's different. But again, I suppose if you see the film, it might give you a completely different perspective, and you may enjoy it a lot more, depending on how much you like the film. So this is more of a showcase rather than a review because I don't know the theme, so I'm not going to say whether I like it enough to buy again or not, because it's irrelevant. It's subjective. If you like it, you like it, but it gives you a chance to see what's inside and some of the artwork, which is pretty pretty cool. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.